एशिया कप 2025 टूर्नामेंट शुरू होने से पहले बातचीत चल रही थी कि कैसा ये टूर्नामेंट फेलियर होगा, पीपल विल नॉट वॉच, देयर टॉक्स अबाउट बॉयकॉट, देयर टॉक्स अबाउट दैट वी शुडंट वॉच दिस टूर्नामेंट बिकॉज इंडिया एंड Pakistan are playing on the same platform. However, contrary to what was being built up, what was being planned, the fact is that Asia Cup 2025 has evoked a lot of interest. Probably I cannot remember an Asia Cup जिसमें इतना interest evoke हुआ हो, और ये सब हुआ है controversies से, controversies की वजह से. जी हाँ, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैच में कंट्रोवर्सी हुई, पाकिस्तान श्रीलंका के मैच में कंट्रोवर्सी हुई, मैचेस भी बहुत कई मैचेस क्लोजली फोर्ट हुए, कई वन साइडेड भी हुए, तो उसमें भी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई. इट ऑल स्टार्टेड ऑन September 14 व्हेन इंडिया प्लेड अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान. मैच में इंडिया ने पाकिस्तान को तो कन्विंसिंगली हरा दिया था, लेकिन उसके बाद they refused to shake hands with the Pakistani players and that irked the Pakistanis. And a week later, when India and Pakistan faced each other again in the Super Fours match, there was a lot of गर्मी on the field. जी हाँ, शाहीन अफरीदी को अभिषेक शर्मा ने पहली बॉल पर छक्का मार दिया था. शाहीन अफरीदी had some words to say and Abhishek Sharma responded with an abuse. Shubman Gill also had some words to say, and then after that Haris Rauf had did some celebration to irk Indian fans and Indian cricketers. After the match, Surya Kumar Yadav said this is no longer a rivalry. He wanted to rub it into the Pakistanis. And he said this is no longer a rivalry. Rivalry जब होती है अगर आप 15 मैचेस में से 8-7 या 8-8 पे चल रहे हैं, लेकिन here India are winning all their matches, so this is no longer a rivalry. It must have hurt Pakistan, those statements. But the fact is that the interest has been drawn in Asia Cup. In Tuesday's match between Pakistan and Sri Lanka, जी हाँ, Abrar Ahmed copied the celebrations of Wanindu Hasaranga. He bowled Wanindu Hasaranga with a googly, and then copied his celebrations like this. And in response, Wanindu Hasaranga was irked by that. And in response, when Pakistan came into bat, he took a lovely catch and then celebrated the way Abrar Ahmed does, like this. And then after that, he picked another wicket. After that, he picked a wicket and he repeated that Abrar Ahmed celebration. After the match, however, they did not take it further. They shook each other's hands. They hugged each other. They had a chat, long chat, and it all dissipated in thin air. But India or Pakistan ka match is laden with controversy. There are no friendly talks. There are no friendly banters too. And one wonders what will happen when the two teams meet in the final, if they do.